If you want to build strong glutes, then this is for you. This is an excellent exercise to supplement your glute training or for anybody that's coming back from an injury. Make sure you stick around. I'm going to teach you how to do the lateral foot banded side step correctly.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use this in the UMS as a way to add volume to our glute training by doing an abduction movement. It's a really powerful movement for the glutes. The glutes have a lot of different functions, and it's important to train them in abduction as well as hip extension and external rotation. So let's get into it. Stick around to the end so you learn the coaching cues that we use to make sure that you get this movement right.
Lateral foot banded side step. This is a simple and effective movement for glute strength and is excellent for athletic development. The most important thing to think of when doing the movement is that your feet should not come so close together that you lose tension in the glutes. The 3 cues to think of whilst doing the movement are: position the band above the knee with neutral foot position, maintain the foot angle while stepping, maintain band tension.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.